Bring creativity and relaxation into your home with the clberni punch needle embroidery kit. This all-in-one set is designed for adults who want to enjoy DIY arts and crafts, whether you're a beginner or looking for a new hobby. Unlike traditional embroidery, this kit uses soft yarn and a punch needle technique, making it simple to learn while still creating a beautiful textured effect. The 30 by 40 centimeter pre-stretched canvas comes securely mounted to a wooden frame, so you don't need an embroidery hoop. Just start punching and watch your design come to life. The best part? When you're finished, your work fits perfectly into the included exquisite wooden photo frame, instantly transforming your handmade project into a stunning piece of home decor, perfect for the living room, bedroom, or even as a thoughtful handmade gift. Relaxing, rewarding, and decorative, the clberni punch needle kit makes it easy to create art that's as enjoyable to make as it is to display.